guys. Mommy, don't move.
Your leg is not showing your leg.
Okay, sorry.
It's still not showing your leg.
It's fine. I don't want to show my leg. That's why pictures are there. Hi guys. So it's Precious the Explorer once again. So today I am going to meet Mimi, who is my friend. She's a beauty therapist and she's going to do microblading for me. I have my backpack bag on and my shoes. Mommy, can you show them my shoes?
Yes, I can show you. I can. You're even okay like this.
Okay, my shoes are from RBW and let's get exploring. I'm sick and tired of drawing brows every day, even though I kind of like doing it because it's makeup, but it won't hurt for me to actually have my braids microbladed for at least 6 months, you know? Don't mind my ratchety nails. We're going to have that done very soon. So guys, let's see how today goes. Alright guys, this is Mimi. She's the one that is going to be performing the magic on my brows. Okay. And she's actually qualified, internationally qualified though. Tell us where you got your qualifications from.
From Lagos and Dubai.
Girl!
So training 2 classes here.
Aww. Mimi is actually a makeup artist as well, you guys. So
yeah.
Don't forget to click her bio. And she's a YouTuber, but she's a YouTuber that ran away, but I think she's going to come back.
I did not run away. I've been trying to get other things done.
Big girl, because like, now you're now having so many certificates. And anyways, Mimi, what are you going to be doing for us today?
So I'm going to be microblading your brows. I'm going to give you flicky brows.
So how long can it last?
From a period of 16 months to 18 months, depending on your skin type.
Oh, okay.
If you have dry skin, it can last longer.
Wow.
But if you have oily skin, it might not last up to 18 months. It might just be from 10 to 15 months. Oh.
So are there side effects?
No, not at all. So, but okay, we have people we cannot work on.
Okay.
So if you're diabetic, you have hepatitis, A, B, or C, or any type of hepatitis. At all. If you're pregnant, if you're a nursing mother, and if you're on some kind of medication, we cannot work on it. If the person is HIV positive, we cannot work on the person. Obviously. So, and if the person is a cancer patient, we cannot work on them. Okay, I got my qualification from Caesar Beauty Aesthetics. Wow. They're in Lagos here, Culture Shopping Complex. Oh wow. Yeah. But they're not the same people from Dubai? No. Okay, so you just went for like an additional class to add some sauce to the one you got here in Lagos. Yeah, so how affordable is this? Okay, now we're running discounts of 60,000 naira for 2 sessions. Wow. So you get after the first session, the procedure, you come back 4 weeks later for the touch-up. Touch-up is for is to enable the initial procedure to sit in properly, for you to have a well-defined brows at the end of all the procedures. Wow. So when we're not running discount, is from 100,000 to 150,000. Because I know it's quite pricey. That's why I asked you. From 100 to 150. Wow. Depends on my mood. So you guys, she's doing it for 60k now, so you better rush here. But aside from microblading, I heard that it's kind of like having tattoos on your brows, and then it's like actually a tattoo. No. Different things go about it. Microblading is simply creating hair-like strokes with pigments manually. It's like manually creating hair-like strokes with pigments. But then it's kind of like tattoos, but no, it's not. This isn't painful. It's not. We numb the skin before we go on with the procedure, so you won't feel that type of pain. You might just feel scratch, like scratch. Yes. But then internet has. I thought it was tattoos. Somebody said it was actual tattoos. To be honest. Because
from 10 to 18 to 20 months, it's already fading up by then.
Okay.
So
it can't be tattoo.
yeah, it can be. Not tattoo.
So how long does it last? How long does the procedure last?
Hours. From 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes.
Oh.
Or 2 hours.
It depends on the skin.
Actually, what takes more time is the brow mapping and sorry, not brow mapping, the numbing of the of that area. Because we numb for 40 to 45 minutes.
Wow.
Yes, and the procedure itself takes like 40 minutes.
Wow.
30 to 40 minutes.
Wow. So if you guys don't numb the skin, there's going to be bleeding.
There will be serious problem. No, bleeding occurs most times. It occurs most cases when you've had alcohol.
Okay, so that's why you told me not to have alcohol.
Yeah, so I usually tell my clients not to have alcohol in 24 hours prior to when they're coming for the procedure. So that's the only time you can bleed too much. And sometimes some people, they have excess blood. So
yeah, I think I have excess blood, so disclaimer.
You won't really bleed, don't worry.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I think we can get that. I already trust Mimi. You can check out her Instagram. I saw the transformation she was doing on some people's brows. And I was just like, ah, Jesus, this should be my brows. So once I have microblading, I can't draw brows, or I can actually still draw my brows.
No, you can't. You can just fill in the gaps. Like,
okay.
You can just, just to add that extra.
Do you have microblading on your brows?
No, I don't.
Why don't you have? Can't you do it yourself?
I'm going to.
By yourself?
Not by myself. You can't do it yourself now, obviously.
Oh.
I'll get someone to do for me.
You have to trust the person.
An esthetician, no. Someone very qualified.
Okay.
My teacher, should I say my trainer?
Oh, Joy. So, like I said when I was coming, this is like the bed that I'm going to lie down. I can sleep off, Abby.
Yes.
As far as it's not painful.
Alright guys, so now Mimi is just basically mapping out my brows. She calls it brow mapping. So basically she's drawing my brows into the way that it's going to be microbladed, I guess. So basically what she's doing now is that she's just taking out the excess hair from underneath what she's drawn, so that there's no like excess hair coming out. And basically, my brows are really bushy, so basically everything just looks very nice. Sorry, I'm saying basically every minute. Then right after that, she's doing this thing called numbing. She's basically numbing my brow so that when she starts using the needle or like the blade to put pigment in my brows, I won't feel it as much as I should. So right there, she has this plaster thing. So basically, it's not really like sellotape. It's like plastic. I don't know. I think it's sellotape. So now she's just like outlining the brows well with this black kind of thing, and afterwards she's going to start with the incision, with the piercing, with the pigment and the blade. So she's wearing something like a ring, if you notice, and she's just making strokes on my brows with the blade and the pigment. So basically that's how everything is till the end. So enjoy. Guys, I can't feel my brows. I can't feel it.
Did you cry?
Yes. Guys, never again shall I draw my brows. I cried though, you guys. Cried tears of joy. Okay. Guys, so this is actually not the final stage, but I already love it. I'm coming back after 4 weeks to do like a touch-up, and there are actually rules and regulations that I'm supposed to actually carry out, because now this baby is new, so I can't scrub it and stuff. I'm supposed to use coconut oil and stuff. Oh my Jesus. Beauty line by Didi is gonna miss me. David's pencil, you're gonna miss me, because I'm never gonna do my brows one more day. Can you see this? Can you see the front? It was I cried because I can't stand pain, but it's not that painful, to be honest. But I'm a drama queen and I succeeded.